Let's get to the business news now with Nona Peltier. Nona, a retail property investor is raising $100 million to expand. What's it looking to buy?
Yeah, it's a really interesting company. This is a company called Investor. And what it owns are big box retail stores like a Bunnings, for example, or a Mitre 10 building. It also owns a bunch of supermarkets like Countdowns, and that's the sort of way they're making their money. So those businesses seem to be doing well. The company Investor is doing well, and so it's raising $100 million so that it can get its balance sheet in a very strong position so it can look for bargains, which it's expecting to find out there.
Nona, the other thing of interest is KiwiSaver. They're going to get for the first time a forecast of what income they can expect to get in retirement. How's that going to work?
Yeah, so we get an annual investment report. These are for people who use the KiwiSaver, and it comes out in May. So the story is that in the past you would just get a number of how much your investment is worth, and so you could decide whether or not that's good or bad. And then in these days you might think it's not so great. But it also will show you some other information, and what it is a forecast of what you could expect to get when you retire if you continue in the plan that you're on. And some research indicates that about half of KiwiSavers are probably in the wrong plan. Well, a bit of a wake-up call for some people when they find out that their minimum investment of 3% of their salary might not get them anywhere near what they're hoping to when they retire. So it should be a wake-up call, but really before anybody does anything, financial advisors are probably your first point of contact to make any decisions before you decide to change your KiwiSaver plan, especially given the volatility that we've been seeing in the markets.
Yeah, exactly. With people's balances going up and down overnight, in essence.
Exactly. It's really it's a time to seek advice before you start moving your investments around, that's for sure.
What else has been going on the markets today?
Well, it's interesting. We've seen some positivity in the markets with, the outlook being a little bit brighter for the COVID-19 in terms of treatments and so forth. The economy is opening up. But nevertheless, our local index, it fell 0.9% today. That was a drop of 93 points to 10,666. The New Zealand dollar was quite a bit stronger, so 60.9 US cents, 94.1 Australian, which is about where it was yesterday, and 48.8 British pence, which is certainly a tick up from where we'd seen most recently.
Thanks, Nona. Good to talk to you. That's Nona Peltier with our Business Wrap.